Online jobs for night owls make money online. 1. Ira Agent, an IRA, Instant Remote Assistance. Agent provides remote assistance to visually impaired individuals using advanced technology like Google Glass. Qualified candidates should possess strong communication skills, empathy, and the ability to describe visual content in vivid detail. While formal education may not be required, a background in customer service or healthcare can be beneficial. IRA agents typically earn around $86,000 per year. 2. Overnight Intake Specialist. An overnight intake specialist gathers essential information for legal cases during nighttime hours. This role requires attention to detail, organizational skills, and the ability to handle sensitive information with discretion. While prior experience in a legal or administrative role is advantageous, it may not be mandatory. Overnight intake specialists typically earn approximately $44,000 per year. Welcome to Profitability Plus, where we explore unique and lucrative work-from-home opportunities, providing detailed insights and expert guidance to help you find your perfect fit in the ever-evolving job market. 3. Subject Matter Expert. A subject matter expert offers specialized consultation and support in a specific field or industry. This role requires in-depth knowledge and expertise in the relevant subject matter, along with strong communication and problem-solving skills. While formal education may be preferred, practical experience and demonstrable expertise are often more important. Subject matter experts typically earn around $79,000 per year. 4. Operations Monitoring Specialist. An operations monitoring specialist is responsible for monitoring operational dashboards and customer support systems, particularly during nighttime and weekend hours. This role demands vigilance, attention to detail, and the ability to troubleshoot issues effectively. While a background in operations or customer support is beneficial, relevant experience and technical proficiency are key. Operations monitoring specialists typically earn about $46,000 per year. 5. On-Call Program Specialist. An on-call program specialist provides specialized support and assistance to customers or team members during nighttime hours. This role requires strong communication skills, problem-solving abilities, and the flexibility to address various issues as they arise. While prior customer service experience is valuable, the ability to adapt and respond to different situations is essential. On-call program specialists typically earn approximately $48,000 per year. 6. Deposit Operation Analyst. A deposit operation analyst manages deposits and ensures regulatory compliance within a banking environment, even during nighttime hours. This role demands attention to detail, analytical skills, and knowledge of banking regulations. While a background in banking or finance is advantageous, relevant experience and the ability to handle sensitive information are crucial. Deposit operation analysts typically earn around $65,000 per year. 7. Night Auditor. A night auditor oversees financial records or safety regulations during nighttime hours, ensuring accuracy and compliance. This role requires attention to detail, reliability, and the ability to work independently. While prior experience in accounting or auditing is beneficial, strong organizational skills and integrity are paramount. Night auditors typically earn approximately $38,000 per year. 8. Customer Experience Agent. A customer experience agent guides customers through their entire interaction with a company or brand during nighttime hours. This role demands strong communication skills, empathy, and the ability to address customer needs effectively. While prior customer service experience is valuable, the willingness to learn and adapt to different situations is essential. Customer experience agents typically earn about $42,000 per year. 9. Reservation Specialist. A reservation specialist assists customers with booking flights, reserving hotel rooms, and securing meeting places during nighttime hours. This role requires excellent customer service skills, attention to detail, and the ability to handle reservations accurately and efficiently. While prior experience in hospitality or travel is advantageous, the ability to multitask and communicate effectively is essential. Reservation specialists typically earn around $48,000 per year. 10. Night editor. A night editor finalizes content before its release, ensuring accuracy and quality during nighttime hours. This role demands strong language skills, attention to detail, and the ability to work under tight deadlines. While prior editing or proofreading experience is beneficial, a strong command of language and the ability to work independently are crucial. Night editors typically earn about $49,000 per year. 11. Overnight care advocate. An overnight care advocate provides support to patients overnight, handling various healthcare-related tasks, including insurance claims and patient care. This role demands empathy, patience, and the ability to handle emergencies calmly and effectively. While prior healthcare experience is beneficial, the ability to communicate clearly and compassionately with patients is essential. Overnight, care advocates typically earn approximately $41,000 per year. 12. Medical scribe. A medical scribe assists medical professionals with documenting patient information accurately and efficiently. This role demands attention to detail, knowledge of medical terminology, and the ability to work in a fast-paced environment. While prior experience in healthcare is advantageous, the ability to multitask and maintain confidentiality is crucial. Medical scribes typically earn around $43,000 per year. 13. After-hours coordinator. An after-hours coordinator provides third-shift support to caregivers and providers, ensuring smooth operations during nighttime hours. This role demands strong organizational skills, problem-solving abilities, and the ability to handle emergencies effectively. While prior experience in healthcare or administration is beneficial, the ability to multitask and communicate clearly is essential. After-hours coordinators typically earn about $43,000 per year. 14. Case manager. A case manager offers personalized support and education to caregivers navigating the healthcare system. This role demands empathy, strong communication skills, and the ability to advocate for clients effectively. While prior experience in social work or healthcare is advantageous, the ability to collaborate with multidisciplinary teams and prioritize client needs is crucial. Case managers typically earn approximately $50,000 per year. 15. Bilingual telephone interviewer. A bilingual telephone interviewer provides interpretation services over the phone in multiple languages, facilitating communication between parties. This role demands fluency in multiple languages, strong communication skills, and cultural sensitivity. While prior experience in interpretation or customer service is beneficial, the ability to accurately convey information between parties is essential. Bilingual telephone interviewers typically earn around $43,000 per year. 16. Ghostwriter. A ghostwriter captures the voice of clients and writes content on their behalf, ranging from books to social media posts. This role demands strong writing skills, adaptability, and the ability to emulate the client's tone and style. While prior experience in writing or journalism is beneficial, the ability to collaborate closely with clients and meet deadlines is essential. Ghostwriters typically earn approximately $54,000 per year. 17. Scriptwriter. A scriptwriter crafts compelling scripts for various platforms, including YouTube, to engage and inform audiences. This role demands strong storytelling skills, creativity, and the ability to adapt to different formats and genres. While prior experience in script writing or content creation is beneficial, the ability to research topics thoroughly and convey information effectively is essential. Script writers typically earn around $89,000 per year. 18. Front-end engineer. A front-end engineer develops user-facing features for websites and applications, ensuring a seamless user experience. This role demands proficiency in programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as knowledge of design principles and web development frameworks. While a degree in computer science or a related field is beneficial, practical experience and a strong portfolio of work are crucial. Front-end engineers typically earn approximately $109,000 per year. Thanks for watching Profitability Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Your subscription helps us continue creating valuable content to support you on your journey to financial success.